just a little video on what's happening with the AC in my car after I disabled / pulled the CAN heater cable to the heater, the PTC heater, the interior cabin heater. I just left it electrically connected for the main power, but I pulled the plug that looks like it's just the CAN interface. So now I'm getting that message, which is expected. I also get a little red button thing. If I push that red deal, it says that cabin heater currently unavailable, which is all good. So at the beginning of this video, you'd see that the temperature was at 70, I think it was at 79 or 80. You see it's already down to 76. Because I just turned this AC button right before I started the video. And you can see our set point's at 81. So you would think that there'd be no AC at this point. So see if I drop down the temperature down to 80, 79, still thinks it's supposed to, the app says it's supposed to be heating, but the cabin itself is getting cooler, really, the AC is definitely on. So I've seen this before, so it's 78, there it's still on. Let's see, is it 77? Okay, 77 looks like it's supposed to be off. So the cabin's at 72, it claims in the app. But so 77 says on the app, it looks like there should be no heat or cooling. But you'll see the temperature still just keep dropping. 71. And so if we go down to 76, it looks like it's supposed to start cooling now. The app thinks we're supposed to cool at 76, but the interior temperature is at 71. So it's like the app is something not synced with the app, or there's something inherently wrong with the system, because it shouldn't be trying to cool down the car at, if it's 71 inside and I set it to 76 in the app, you would think that there would be no AC need cooling. So 77, you can see it's still synced up with the, things are still kind of working here. The temperature just dropped another degree, set that now 70. But even if I put this up to 78, with the heat, with these heater marks in the app, doesn't seem to mean anything, because the cabin's going to still get cooler. But I believe if I leave it set, around 80, the interior generally doesn't get above 670 or so. But if I set it to a little lower, like 76 or whatever, it's gonna go down to 68 in the interior. So yeah, there's something mixed up the system here. It feels like it seems like the heater is being used as the actual temperature regulator of the car. So the AC, if you have the AC button on, basically the AC is just on, it seems like, and the only way to get your temperature to your set point would be to add additional heat, basically. So right now, if my temperature set point's at 78, here the cabins are at 69. The only way to get to 78 would be to add heat. So I believe the heater may have to run all the time to get you to your AC set point. So we're at 79 degrees outside right now, and I definitely don't want to have heat coming on. So let's see where the AC wants to come on. Okay, so it thinks the AC should come on at 75 now. It's 69 inside the car. So now it thinks 76 is the temperature where I don't need heater or AC. 77, it thinks we need a heat. Which in this case would be right. We would want to heat the cars at 60, the interior's at 69. I need to heat it to get to the 77, but at 75, we don't need to turn the AC on if it's 69 inside the car. So something's messed up. I feel like I've been getting more range in the car since I've done this mod. It's 238. This is a little lower. I've been slamming on the gas recently too, so don't use this one as a bellwether, or this one. I've been slamming on the gas pretty hard, but doing some 0 to 60 test runs. But so this little bit daily drive is including that. Those zip. Yeah, I'm still like lower than my lifetime, but I think there's definitely something to this heater being on, having it used all the time. That's gonna kick your range down pretty solid. A couple miles. I think I saw about 4 miles. Actually, it felt like 5 to 10 miles actually in a round trip, my 80-mile daily commute. So it's not chump change here. Let's turn this off. That's about it. We need a heater. We need a heater off button here. Ideally, we need 2 temperature set points. That lets you set the high and the low set points. So, sort of like how the Nest works. The low set point, temperature below that, the heater comes on automatically. High set point, temperature above that, the AC comes on. Anywhere in between, it's just off. Both are off all the time. Only the vent's on. I think we'd save a lot of power, a lot of energy. That's it. Alright, sign off.